So we are right about 16 inches. This is in North Carolina, folks.
Memphis, you want to go out?
I mean, I got 16 inches right here, and I'm sure there's probably more, like 20 out in front. This is Homestead Norano showing you, yes, it does snow in North Carolina. My chickens are not happy. And
I don't even know how we're going to get to them.
We're going to have to do some snowbogging. Here's the road out front, and it's actually basically closed off right now. We haven't seen anyone go through. This is Homestead Rental just showing you blizzard of 14 in the Carolinas.